Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set minimum stay on booking.com on Extranet. Now step 1 is just go to the booking.com admin website. Make sure to go to the admin page as booking.com has two websites, and from the admin page just scroll down and find your property section. As you can see, like I have two properties listed, so just open up your property, whatever property you have in the booking.com listed. And once you open the property, so make sure to like from the home page you will see calendar and pricing. So just click on calendar and go to calendar option inside it. And once you open the calendar, so once you scroll down you will see all the dates. As you can see, like you can see the prices, the availability, and all the dates as well. So from this section, make sure to choose the dates that you want to change the availability or the price. And on the right side you can see like advanced data section, open and close, the rates and everything, all those details. So from the rates you can just click on the restrictions option. As you can see, like the rates, if you want to change the rates, otherwise just click on restrictions. And once you click on restrictions, as you can see, minimum length of stay, you can choose one night or you can choose whatever you want to select. Let's say 2 nights, just select it. And once you select it, you can just scroll down, and after that I'm not able to change it as I already have changed the above one. So change it. And the third one is basically for weeks. So if you want to change it to 7 nights, that is your choice, just change it. Otherwise select it to 5 or 6. Just set it whatever you want to select and just click on save. And once you click on save, it will be updated and will be listed on booking.com in that way. Now if you want to change for multiple dates, select all the dates, just go to restrictions, select the nights, like minimum length of the stay, select it, and just click on save. And after that it will be saved. As you can see, like the changes might take a few days to update from 2 September to 19, so it might take almost 2 weeks to update the prices on the booking.com. So don't worry. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.